Hello and welcome back. We are Ed
and Ross.
Today we will learn the newest version of Phalak asana, that is plank. So without further ado, let's get started. Lower yourself down onto your forearms while keeping your forearms and toes firmly on the ground. Keep your back straight and core tight such that you perform a straight line from head to toe. Now lift your right leg, keep it parallel to the ground. Hold the pose for 30 to 60 seconds. Make sure your back is in a straight line. If it is saggy, then it can cause back pain later on. If done regularly, it reduces belly fat, strengthens your core, improves balance, posture, flexibility, metabolism, mood, and relieves stress. Do keep in mind not to arch your back, not to look straight ahead or lower your hips. Also keep your head relaxed, straight and parallel to the floor. Forearm planks are core body exercise. It gets your body tightened and contracts all your core muscles, keeping your lower back strong and preventing your lower back pain. Now come back to the basic plank position. Now lift your left leg, keep it parallel, hold the position for 30 to 60 seconds. Again, feel the resistance in your core. Keep the endurance and determination alive. Hold the position as long as you can. Keep improving day by day. Keep breathing slowly and steadily while you are in this position. Do not attempt to do plank if you have shoulder injury, pelvic pain, pain in your shoulders after doing this exercise. Also pregnant ladies or have recently become a mother. So keep practicing Phalak asana. If you are new to my channel, please refer to the previous video where I have explained all the benefits and how to do the asana properly. Do the basic asana, do it for 1 minute or more, achieve this target and you can continue doing the advanced version. Stay healthy, stay safe. Do not forget to subscribe, like and share, and I'll see you soon.